And this is our reflection video for project number 3. As you can see, starting out, we created a main window, which is trophy JPEG, which you have right here in our resources folder, and then also had an open view and open text, which we put inside of the open view to open up and go to our next page. You can see how we have a label that's created that, our text and our view that we put on there, and also we set up our value, our variable, to require our next JS page, which is the galleries page, which holds all of our engine for everything that makes it run. One of the problems I had was that in order to make a navigation page and an event listener, I had it on our apps page, but I had to realize that we had to put it inside of our finals gallery page in order to make our event listener work correctly. And here in our second JS page, this is the gallery page with our function, which is the title of our gallery title, and it's a window with a background image, as you can see here. And here we set up the width, the height, the count, the margin, and true canvas width for each of what we're going to have and how we're going to lay out the grid view for our images. And here our scroll view with layout of horizontal, and our content width equals the width of the actual platform that we're on. And our loop that we set up for the pictures, the pic file, which you'll see at the bottom, that we named from our event propagations. And it has our picture, it's going to go through our picture frame. That set up our pictures, our image views, and we add our pictures to the picture frame and the picture frame itself to the picture holder. And for our second page that comes up, which I named thumb page, which will have a function, and we'll have it, our big pick and our big pick name. We set up our window for that, and also our image view to hold the pictures. And through our event propagation, I realized that I come to the name. I named it thumb to keep it all unified. But our title source and the title image, I passed two different names to go inside this function here. Pick name, which equals the title, and big pick, which equals the image. And put that there so that when we clicked on the thumb page, it came up, it would have a title and it would show the picture that we wanted to show inside of it. So we added the thumb view to the thumb window and a navigation window. See everything. So you can see a navigation window opens up our first window. And here is where we have set up our arrays to go get the files over here to set up to go through our for loop. And the operation of the app is pretty much right here, where we click on the open view to see the pictures, and it comes up to our gallery. We can scroll and see everything. If we click on our pictures, it opens to a big one. We go back. One of the problems that I'm trying to figure out is our for loop is, if I click null, as you can see, comes up, and trying to get rid of that, but I haven't figured that one out completely yet. But other than that, everything works genuinely great.